Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated and ventilated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, power tailgate release, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6247.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.